We got Monique coming in. We got Monique coming in live. We're going live here on the Ruth Morin show this evening because somebody wanted to go for a walk, but this ain't a walk. This ain't a walk.
Don't be jealous.
This ain't a walk, Skylar. You're eating on a walk and kicked back. Skylar, you're not even doing nothing.
And I'm eating.
You're supposed to be walking and exercising. You're not even walking. Your papa's pushing you, pulling you. Yeah, we're gonna nickname you. No, that's Sky.